I'm going to take a quick buy right now. This is the 15 minutes time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, a lot of profits has already been made. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my phone and close in half of that profit. I'll screen record it so you guys can see also. Done. Take profits of 3,900. Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 8th of November 2023. If you recall from the previous replay, we started this trade with 15 lot size. I've closed half of this trade in profit. We closed about $3,500. We're up over $6,000 right now. I'm going to close half of this trade on my phone right now, and I'm going to screen record it for you. So we'll close another half of this trade and let the trade continue to run. I see that it has been having issues continue to go up. There you go. Half of the trade closed $2,500 closed in profit. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. If you want to copy my trade, sign up with Mega Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. And also, if you want to test my software for free, make sure you sign up with Mega Market also. Link in description below, and come with $150 so that I know that you're serious about testing the software, and send me proof of that on Telegram. Look at the last withdrawal. We made $15,000 so far. We've made a profit of over $25,000 from this $250 account, and in total we've made a total profit of $86,000. Okay, I'm thinking about starting this challenge again. Make sure to join the free Telegram group. I'm looking for at least 800 votes. If you have at least $100 ready to fund your account, if I get 800 votes in my Telegram group, I will start next month giving free daily signals, and we'll start growing our account again free for at least 3 months to 6 months. I'm looking for serious people. It's not a lot, and I'm not telling you to pay me. Just have $100 in your account and make sure you join the Telegram group and vote yes. Okay, if we get 800 votes, even if we get almost 800 votes, I'll know that a lot of people are serious, they're ready to fund their account, and you'll be ready to grow with me. And we can try to grow from 250 to over 80k in profits again for free for the next 3 to 6 months. Make sure to join the free Telegram group. And if you want to buy the course to learn how to hedge, which is how I've been able to grow my account so fast and so quick to the way it is right now, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I teach my students with live scalp trades, live swing trades, and live hedging. Hedging is a way to save yourself from losses. And yeah, we'll be right back. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back when we're ready to take the final take profit on this trade.